I'm drowning. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch.
So I just woke up and it's vlog 2, and I know it's been a really long time. It's just I only got 4 views, so I didn't really know if I should do it again, but here I am. Anyways, let's get this vlog started. I'm gonna go get ready because I look like trash. Me on the bed. Me on the swing. Me in the rain.
Hey, where's the drums?
I'm not even gonna try to lie. I've never done contour before. I thought I'd just do it for the video, and now it looks like I have bruises on my face, so that's cool.
Yo, this one right here is for the dropout of schoolers, the future cougars, the Mary Jane abusers, the ones that choose to be losers, for all the misfit kids and the total outcasts. MKTO, this one's for you, for all my love. We are the ones.
None of you will ever know my obsession with. I got 1%. I think I never leave my house. So I've seen a lot of vlogs and they all try transition shots, so I thought I'd try that. So this is my first try, so here we go. I just said so like 10 times in that video, but it's cool. Now we're actually gonna get to it.